So the question is related to what they are trying to ask is how much is that going to cost to do the upper and the lower teeth and with the bottom completely locking in. And he just says a bottom locking in, so I'm not sure whether he is asking for some kind of a teeth that they snap into place, or some teeth that like completely they don't come out. And then he's also referring to the upper and lower teeth, and I'm not sure he's referring to both locking in. So I can give you a range depending on the condition and depending on the status of your mouth. It could range anywhere between, if you're just locking in a denture, it could range anywhere starting at $10,000 or as low as maybe about $9,000 to $10,000 up to $25,000 or more. So for a complete set of teeth. For example, if you were to have missing teeth on the top and the bottom, and if you were looking for some kind of a teeth either snap into place or completely not removable, or meaning completely fixed teeth, it could range anywhere between 8,000 or 10,000, $8,000 to $10,000 up to $25,000 to $30,000 just for a one set of teeth. So that means to do a complete reconstruction of your mouth, it could range anywhere between $15,000 up to $60,000.
Oh, wow.